बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हमारे पास बॉटनी की चंद एमसीक्यूज़ हैं, इनको हम देखते हैं। सबसे पहली एमसीक्यूज़ है अ बायोलॉजिकल कम्युनिटी टुगेदर विद एसोसिएटेड एबायोटिक इन्वायरमेंट। इसका सही जवाब होगा इकोसिस्टम। द ग्रास लैंड यूज्ड बाय एनिमल्स फॉर ग्रेजिंग नाउन एज। इसका सही ऑप्शन होगा रेंज लैंड। Which of the following forms visible spectrum? The correct answer is 400 to 700. The plant which grow best at lower intensities. Zoophytes. ऐसे प्लांट्स जो क्या करते हैं, सायादार जगहों पर ग्रो करते हैं, उनको कहते हैं जियोफाइट्स। The parental material formed by breakdown of rocks is residual. The next is the soil of with more than 2 mm particle size. The correct option is gravel. The water percentage in garden soil is 25% होगी। The soil with hard crystal is Paroxian. The layer present below the duff is leaf mold. Some raindrops solidified due to low temperature below 0 centigrade temperature forms hail. The fresh water percentage of earth is 1%. The soil containing 100% organic matter is organic soil. इसका ऑप्शन क्या होगा? बी। Soil profile have E horizon after. The correct option is A. The random pattern of distribution of individual of population over space. The correct option is dispersion. The capacity of a plant to complete its life cycle. The correct option is vitality. Next हमारे पास है which of the following is denaturifying bacteria? Pseudomonas. Greenhouse effect is warming the earth due to. The correct option is increased carbon dioxide. The energy flow in ecosystem is always. The correct option is unidirectional. The frequency class between 41% to 60% is called frequent. The ratio between energy flow at different level in food chain is ecological efficiency.